Hello, and welcome to Hiragana Life Guide. Ten useful Japanese phrases for city office counters in Japan.
I need to go to the city office, but I don't know what to say in Japanese.
You can use short and simple Japanese phrases. They do not need to be perfect.
In this episode, we will practice short Japanese phrases you can use at city office counters in Japan. These phrases are simple. They are not perfect formal Japanese, but they can help city office staff understand what you need. Listen and repeat after me. Phrases for asking where to go and what you need. Number 1. I want to do this procedure.
この手続きしたい。この手続きしたい。
Number 2. I want this certificate.
この証明書欲しい。この証明書欲しい。
Number 3. I want to submit this document.
この書類出したい。この書類出したい。
Number 4. I brought this document.
この書類持ってきた。この書類持ってきた。
Number 5. I want to ask about this.
これ聞きたい。これ聞きたい。
Number 6. I moved to Hiragana City.
枚方市に引っ越してきた。枚方市に引っ越してきた。
Number 7. I want to register my address.
住所登録したい。住所登録したい。
Number 8. I want to ask about health insurance.
健康保険聞きたい。健康保険聞きたい。
Number 9. I want to ask about my number card.
マイナンバーカード聞きたい。マイナンバーカード聞きたい。
Number 10. Which counter should I go to?
どの窓口？どの窓口？